start.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kailash and basically today what we are going to talk about is a Vardhan machine. Vardhan machine is basically a waste segregation machine. A waste segregation machine which takes in a mixed waste and converts and segregates into organic part and inorganic part. So today what we are going to talk about is a Vardhan machine. I will show you its operation, how it works. This is the part how it looks like. This is a control panel. This is a ramp wherein all mixed waste is put inside. And when we say as a mixed waste, it is a daily household mixed waste, which is like 70% of organic waste and 30% of inorganic waste like plastics, like paper, textiles, and many other things. So this machine segregates organic part on this side and inorganic part on this side. So this is how the organic waste is received. It is in sludge form. So this particular sludge can be used, can be dewatered, and it can be converted into pellets. So these pellets are actually a fuel pellets which is used to run a boilers, furnaces, or heaters for the industries, so as they can like co-fire with the coal and they can reduce the amount outgo which is going out for the coal or for any other fuel like furnace oil or diesel oil. So it is far better than that. It is a CO2 neutral fuel and we can go forward with it. I will show you the another part wherein we get inorganic waste. So this is a water tank wherein we use it for washing it all the waste, and we need hardly 400 liters of water for 2.5 tons of capacities, and it is recirculated. Nothing is drained off. It is just recirculated again and again and again, and whatever organic waste is received, it is actually made a cake of, and it can be converted into pellets. This is where we get an inorganic waste. Inorganic waste in the sense all kind of plastics, paper, textiles we get out from it. And this is the kind of plastics we get it out. So once it is separated, it becomes very easy to bale it, pack it, and give it to a plastic processing unit, wherein these plastics are like shredded, washed, clean, dried, and then compressed into sheets, or like granules are being made with that, or any other like lumbers or plastic chairs or something like that. So this is how we use this Vardhan machine. On one side we get inorganic waste, on another side we get a sludge of it. So this is the kind of waste we are putting in. So this is the kind of waste we are putting in. So this is the inlet. So with this, what I mean to say is Vardhan machine can be used very efficiently for segregating waste, and it can find its application wherein rack picker community can use it for segregating and improving their livelihoods by increasing their income levels, by increasing the volume of segregation. Whatever segregated item is, they can sell it into the market and they can earn more money. Recyclers also, they can use this machine and they can segregate waste, and they can in turn get more money because they are getting more volume of waste. And nothing goes out like waste from this machine. Everything organic is actually converted into pellets or into coal, and inorganic is also recycled. So the thing is, we are actually converting waste to wealth, and this is what exactly our Prime Minister Modi just said last week, that he launched a Swachh Bharat Mission too. Under that Swachh Bharat, he is very clear, all kind of waste should be converted into some byproducts, and it can be reutilized into the market, and we can make use of a circular economy. So this machine will prove a very good equipment as far as circular economy is concerned. With this, I would like to conclude. Thanks a lot.